Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
You want to leave the door open? You want to leave the doors open? Watch out, the bullets are gonna Can I get in? Yeah. Oh, appreciate it. Oh, you can't open from the outside? Oh, okay. I've heard yours is really violent.
It's alright.
Whoa, dude. Well, you're supposed to. That's not normal. Your base to just blow this out. USB problem? Yeah, it happens. I hate it. Holy smokes, dude. Dude. What's your name, man?
Donnie.
Donnie. Jacob. Thank you for that. That's insane, man. I appreciate that. What the heck? You're breaking everything with that bass. When you're that loud, you break stuff. ZV5s?
Yeah, ZV5s.
What is this tuned to?
It's around 40s it peaks at.
Okay. And you built all this?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, okay. What is the most you got out of it, meter-wise?
59.9.
50, that's it?
But that was
I
the
was thinking.
ZV4s.
Okay. I was gonna say, I think this has got to be a 60s
no,
build.
we just put it on the meter at 29 hertz
okay.
and did a 58.7 at 29.
So that's on the glass though, so
yeah,
you're probably 60s kick for sure.
Yeah. If I go up to 40, I'll be at 60.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna mess with it here a little bit.
Okay, awesome. Appreciate it, man.
No problem.
Woo. Uh-oh, door won't open without... door opens only in the back. We're outside. Holy crap. Whoa, dude! Are you expecting this? That's not normal for your bass to just blow this out. That's not normal for a bass to just blow this out. USB problem? Yeah, that happens. I hate it.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.